This is a 2007 Cadillac STS. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 3.6-liter V6. Features include a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, a remote start feature, XM satellite radio, leather seats, variable valve timing, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, traction control, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 67,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Not to mention that this Cadillac qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Drive with Pride for your next pre-owned vehicle. We have been serving the Houston area since 1995. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 9731 Southwest Freeway between Bissonnet and Beltway 8. We look forward to serving you.